Are you ready to graduate from spreadsheet beginner to intermediate? This is part 9 of Back to School Bootcamp for Spreadsheets, and today we are going to talk about data. First, we're going to talk about sorting. You can sort any spreadsheet in any columns that you have in the spreadsheet. You can also determine the order of multiple columns to be sorted. Here's an example. I can sort by game and then date, or I can sort by date and then game. It all depends on how you want to look at the data in a table. Now, let's say you only want to look at a subset of the data. The easiest way to do that is to put a filter on your table. And in the filter, you can use multiple conditions or just select whatever you want to be filtered. The last thing you need to know about data, so you're not a spreadsheet beginner anymore, you're going to use data validation to make sure that the values added in a certain column in a spreadsheet are the values that you need in that column. In this example, I only have 3 names that can possibly be added, so I can do a drop down with the 3 names. It's not just a drop down. The data validation can be used to make sure that a date is a date, a number is a number. So now that you're not a spreadsheet beginner anymore, tell me which one of these 3 tricks you learned today is your favorite. I cannot wait to hear it in the comment section below.